Good morning to everyone, student. Here we are going to start chapter number 14, that is factorization. Class 8 NCERT Maths book. Okay. So here we are going to see, directly we are going to start exercise 14.1 as there will be no definition in this chapter, that's why. Clear? So here is the first question of exercise 14.1, chapter 14, factorization of class 8 NCERT Maths book. Find the common factors of the given term. So dear student, when any number is there, suppose 12 and 8, this is the number, and if it is asked to find the common factors among these numbers, so for this what we are going to do? Separately we are going to find the factors of both the numbers, isn't it? So here it will be 2 times 6 in 2 table, 12 comes 6 times, in 2 table 6 comes 3 times, and in 3 table 3 comes 1 time. In the same way, in table of 2, 8 comes 4 times, in table of 2, 4 comes 2 times, and in table of 2, 2 comes 1 time. So we can see here, these are the factors. What are the factors of 12? 12 factor is 2 into 2 into 3. This is the factor of 12. And what is the factor of 8? 2 into 2 into 2. This is the factor. Since in our question first, it is asked about to find the common factors, or we are going to find the common factors in this common factors in both the number 12 and 8. So what we are going to do? We are going to mark the common factor like this. See, here 3 is not having the pair in factors of 8 and 2 is not having pairs in factors of 2. So it will be remain unpaired. That means they will be not common. So what is the common factors of 12 and 8? So common factors of 12 and 8 is 2 into 2, that is 4. Have you understood this question? So in the same way we are going to do in this chapter also. What is the question asked? Find the common factors of the given pair terms. Okay, so what is the question here we are having? The question is 12x comma 36. Isn't it? So what is the factors of 12x? The factors of 12x will be 2 into 3 into x. As x is present over here, so x will be also calculated as a factor. 36 we are having 2, 36, that means 8, 36 here, 2 times we can write it, 2 ones are 8, 16 is that means 8, here again 9, isn't it? So 3 into 3. So 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, that will be 36. So this is the factor, as 36 does not have any variables, so only the 12x, there is in the term 12x we are having the variable, so that variable will be also be written along with the factors. If suppose any number is there, it having the variable as x, y square, isn't it? So the factors of this x, y square will be become x into y into y, like this we are going to do. Okay, so in the same way, as the 12x is there, so x will be written with the last as a factor of it. 36 does not have any variables with it, so it will be remain only the numbers. Now it is asked to find the common factors among these two numbers. So what we are going to do? We are going to mark the common factors. So these are the common factors, isn't it? So common factor is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 into 2 4. Okay, 4 into 3 is 12. So the answer will be 12. So the common factors of 12x and 36 is 12. Clear to everyone? In the same way, I am going to solve some of the questions. Rest of the try to do it your own, as it's a very easy question. You can do it your own. Okay. So here we can see that 2y comma 22xy is there. So what is the common factor of? What is the factors of 2 is 2 into 1. This is the factor of 2 y. Then 22xy, so 22xy, that means 2 into 11 into x into y. This is the factor of 22xy. What is the common here? 2 is common and y is common, isn't it? So common factor of 2y and 22xy is, what is the number? 2y. Clear to everyone? So in this way you have to do each and every question. Let's do the 3 term questions in this. Okay, the 3 term questions. First, 5th part we will directly do. 5th part, little bit 3 alphabets are present as well as 3 term is present. So we will directly do the 5th part. So look the fifth part of question number 1. What is that? 6abc, 24ab square, 12a square b. Okay, so what is the factors of a 6abc? So 6 का LCM निकालेगा तो क्या होगा? 2 into 3 into a into b into c. This is the factors, isn't it? 24ab square in table of 2, 24 comes 12 times. Then 12 comes again in table of 2, how many times? 6 times, then 3 times. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3 is 23. A square, b square is there, that means a into b square will be written as b into b. 12, a square, b is there, isn't it? So 12, that means 2 into 2 into 3 into 8 into 8 into b. As a square is there, that means it will be a into a. Now, since it is asked to find the common factor, so 2 is present as a common factor, then we can see here 3 is present as a common factor. Okay, now a is also present as a common factor, b is also present as a common factor. Thus, any other factors are not present in all the present but not present in all the 3 terms, isn't it? So here we can say that common factor is 2 into 3 into a into b. So 6ab is the answer. Clear to everyone? So in this way you have to find the common factor. फैक्टर निकालना अगर आपको आ गया तो आप आसानी से उसका कॉमन फैक्टर निकाल सकते हो. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? सो इन दिस वे ट्राई टू डू ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चंस. Moving toward the question number 2. In question number 2 of exercise 14.1, it is said that factorize the following pair. So it is also same as question number 1 itself. Look how. What is asked in the question number 2? Factorize the following. So look how to factorize the number. Question number 2, first part we are having 7x minus 42. This is the number we are having. So what are the factors of 7x? 7 into x. This is the factor. What will be the factor of 42? 42 factor will be, here we can write it 2. As the 42 factors we can easily find out as 2. So here 2, here 1, again 2, 21, 3, that means 7. So 7. So we can easily write the factors as 2 into 3 into 7. Like this we can write the factors. So no x term is present with the 42, so no factor will be present over there. Okay, now we can easily see that only one factor is present over there, that is 7. It is asked to factorize the following pairs, isn't it? So since it is not asked to find the common pair, so we are not going to make the pairs of the common term factors. So 7x minus 42 is the number whose factors we had separately written. These factors we are going to put in the place of that number. So 7x factor is 7 into x minus 42 factor is 2 into 3 into 7. This is the factor. So here we can see that from both the terms we can take 7 as a common. So what is the number left out? That is x minus 2 into 3, that is 6. So what is the answer for this? 7 into x minus 3 is the answer. So in this question number 1, same as question number, so in this question number 2 it is same as question number 1. The difference is that in question number 1 we have to take the factors as well as the common factors. Okay, individually you have to take the factors, then after the common factors you have to take out in question number 1. But in question number 2 what you have to do is, you have to individually take out the factors. Those factors you have to put it in the questions, then you have to take out it common. Clear? Now look the second part of this question. What is 6p minus 12q? So 6p minus directly we will do. Okay, no need of doing this again, isn't it? Have you understood this now? So I am directly doing this one. So 6p can be written as 2 into 3p. 6 का factor क्या होगा? 2 into 3 होगा. Now 2 into 3p. 12 factors will be 2 into 2 into 3 into q. This will be the factors. So these numbers we can take it as a common. So 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6 can be taken common, isn't it? 2 into 3 will be taken common. What is the number left out? P is left out. What is the number left out? 2 and q. So 2 into 3 is 6. So it can be written as 6 minus 2q, which is the required. Means after finding the factors of those terms, what you have to do, you have to put it in the place of the इंडिविजुअल टर्म, जिसका फैक्टर आपने निकाला उसके फैक्टर्स के प्लेस पे आपको उसको रखना है, फिर उसका कॉमन निकालना है। ओके, सो दिस इज ओनली, so fourth part you can do with your own. Let's do the fifth part. Okay, 20l square n plus 30alm. This is the number we are having. So 20 factors can be written as 2, 5 into 5. 2 into 4, 4 5s are 20. L can be written as L square into L square into m plus 30. 30 factor will be 2, 15 times, that means 3, 5. Okay, 3 5s are 50 into 2, that will be 30 into a into L into m. Now you can see this, 2 is taken common as 2 is present on both the term. 3 is not present on both the term. 5 is present on both the term, isn't it? So 2 into 5 can be taken common. Now L is present, L is square still. So L is present on both the term, we can take it as a common, isn't it? Then is M is present? Yes, M is also present on both the term. Is A is present on the both the term? A is not present on the both the term, so we cannot take A as a common, isn't it? So here we have taken a common as 2 into 5 into L into M, and what are the term is left? 2 is left, then L is left, plus 3 is left, A is left. So 2 into 5 is 10, Lm, 2L plus 3A is the answer. Clear everyone? Have you understood? Now the next part of this question, sixth part. In the sixth part it is very simple one. This is the question. So you can see that factor of 5 will be remain as it is. Factor of x square will be x into x. Factor of y will be y minus factor of 15 will be 3 5 is 15 x into y into y. Isn't it? As it is a x y square. So here we can see that 5 is present on both the term, isn't it? X is present on both the term. Then again one more x is, no, one more y is present over here. So we can take 5xy as a common. The terms is left is x minus 3y. This is the required answer. Clear to everyone? So in this way you have to do the question. It's a very easy. Last two questions again I will solve and show you. Rest of that try to do with your own. Okay. So here we are having the next question. Ninth part, x square yz plus xy square z plus xy z square. So x square, x can be taken common as x is present, y can be taken common, z can be taken common, so it will be x plus y plus z. It's a very simple question. The ninth one is a very simple one. 10th one, ax square y plus bx y square plus cxyz. So what are the factors of this term? First term, that is a into x into y. What is the factor of the second term? B into x into y into y. What is the factor of the third term? That is c into x into y into z. These are the factors, isn't it? So here we can see that x is present on all the three terms. Yes, it is present. Y is present on all the three terms. Now z is not present. So x, y we will take it as a common. A we cannot take, one x is left. Here b cannot take, one y is left, isn't it? Plus c with z is present. So this is the required answer for question number 10. Now moving toward the next question, that is question number 3. This is the last question of this exercise. Okay. So here we are going to see that factorize. What you have to factorize? Factorize x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. So this number you have to factorize over here. Now look how to do the factorization. In this question also it is same as we have done in the first two questions, that is question number 1 and question number 2. The difference is only the number of terms increased. Okay, and the second thing is that we have to make the pair. So here we are having x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. This is the question we are having. Can we make the pair of the two numbers in order to factorize the question? Yes, of course we can make the pair of the two numbers. So here in this y will be taken as common, so it will become x plus y into x plus 8, which is the required answer. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. So here you can see that we will make the pair of this. We have to make the pair in such a way that whatever the numbers present inside the term should have the correct one, should match with each other. So can we make the pair of 15xy then plus 5y minus 6x minus 2? Of course we can make the pair like this also. Okay. So here 15, that means 5 can be taken common, and including that y is also present on both the terms, so y can also be taken common. So here 3x is left plus 1. Okay, minus we will take as common 2. So here 3x plus 1. So here 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 will be taken as common. Okay, into 5y minus, which is the answer. Clear to everyone? Moving toward the third part of this question. What is the third part? ax plus bx minus ay minus b. Making the pair of the first terms and last two terms, taking the common as x. X will be taken common, so what is the number left out? B plus c. When minus y is taken common, a plus b is left out. Again a plus b will be taken as common. So the term is left out is x minus y, which is the required answer. So have you understood? So dear student, in this way you have to do. One more question I will do for you, that is the fifth part. That is z minus 7 plus zxy minus xyz. So making the pair of the first term and the last term plus 7xy plus 7xy minus here plus here minus 7 plus 7xy. So we had made a pair. So z can be taken. So 1 minus xy is, here we can take it as a minus 7 as common. So 1 minus xy. Now here we can see that 1 minus xy is present on both the term. What is z minus 7 is left out inside. So this is the answer. So dear student, in the question number 4, what you have to do is you have to make the pair of a number in such a way that while taking the common, the numbers which is present should again take at common. तो दो बार उस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में आपको कॉमन लेना है, ठीक है. सो while making the pair, be very careful. So here we had completed our exercise 14.1. Hope you people understood the questions. In the next video